So before we developed the juice fountain, the issues that needed to be solved were ease of use, really about ease of use and speed of use and cleaning. So when we solved the cutting up issue by creating a wide feed tube that you can fit a whole apple into without needing to cut it up, and by creating a system where the juicing disc is central and runs at very high speed, improving the efficiency of that side with a separate pulp container that could be removed and emptied during the process, and minimising the number of components that needed to be cleaned. The juice fountain then really brought about a large step forwards in the process of juicing, and we've seen that globally now with the success of our products and the growth in the number of users using the juices for juicing.